Hey fellow Jeepers, welcome back to Forward Adventures. It's Hung once again. Thought I'd just do a quick video while I'm in the Jeep cleaning up this mess of cables and camera attachments. So it's not as cold, so I might as well do a video while I'm at it. But I thought I'd just do a quick review of the Teraflex Sun Visor that I installed, I think a month ago, something like that. Just never got around to making a video. So today, while I'm in here, I might as well make it quick. As you can see, I have it already installed right here. When you get this product, it comes as one whole piece attached by this. I believe this is an aluminum rod, and it goes across holding both visors. But since I have an SPOD and some grab handles on the side, on both sides, it gets in the way a little bit, so I had to do a trimming. So almost about a foot's worth of rod I had to remove, and then on the side here, on this end here, there are it's about a 2-inch protrusion out here that covers this space here. So I had to cut that off because it did get in the way of me closing the visor, and it would just hit up there, hit this corner. So yeah, did that little cut there, and then everything is working perfectly. Doesn't get in the way of the grab handle. Well, so it does get in the way a little bit. I can't really fully open this, or sorry, push this all the way out, but you don't need it to go that far anyways. But overall, it does its job. It's as you can see the difference between the tinted part and the regular window. Overall, the product does its job. The only thing I don't like about this is this trim here, this black trim that goes all the way around on this at the ends here. Maybe if they made it I don't know, smaller, I guess, not like a full piece or something like that, then it would be a little bit better, because your eyes do kind of just fall onto this while you're driving. So I don't know, maybe the next version they make, they can make it not a full piece or something like that. But yeah, it does its job. During your regular sunny day, it works perfectly. You don't need your sunglasses. But during sunrise or sunset, where the sun is very low on the horizon and it's beaming at you, this does not help. You definitely need your sunglasses. But other than that, it works as intended. And also, the last thing I forgot to mention, that this does not flip outward to your, I guess, left or onto the right side. They do make a separate piece that attaches to your roll cage up here, and then you just flip it upwards. But I will be getting that because I don't really need it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't mind. I like it. Besides a little trimming here, it works. It does its job. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.